Hello students, as we had discussed in the previous lecture that there are only two sums remaining in this chapter in exercise 7.3, and today we are going to complete both this question number 3 and 5, and as well as we will end our chapter here. Okay, so let us start with the third question of exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? क्या करना है? Find area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. It means ये हमें triangle दिया है, right? इसके coordinates दिए हैं A, B and C. Now we have to find the midpoints first of all of the given triangle. पहले हमें जो ये triangle दिया है, right? और ये triangle में हमको मालूम ही है कि that there are three sides. So first of all it is asked to find the midpoint. तो पहले हमें midpoint find करना है, right? After finding the midpoint, we have to find the area of that triangle. Suppose here the midpoint of the side AB is D, right? Midpoint of the side BC is E, and here the midpoint of the side AC is F. AB का मिड पॉइंट D है, BC का मिड पॉइंट E है and AC का मिड पॉइंट F है. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to find the coordinates of this midpoint. वो हम कैसे find करेंगे? By midpoint formula. Okay. After finding the midpoints of this all the three coordinates, we are going to find the area of this triangle. Area find करना है ये triangle का inside जो ये बन रहा है triangle DEF, and then we have to find the ratio of this area, it means area of DEF to the area of given triangle. Given triangle means ABC. तो हमें तीन चीज जो है वो फाइंड करनी है, right? Which are the three things? First, the midpoints of the coordinates of DEF. Okay. Second, area of triangle DEF, ये DEF का एरिया है, and third, area of triangle ABC. Understood? और लास्ट में जो ये DEF का एरिया है और ABC का जो एरिया है उन दोनों का रेशियो. तो वैसे देखा जाए तो four things we need to find. So first of all, we are going to find the midpoints of this line segment AB, BC and AC, that is DE and F, by midpoint formula. Okay. So solution, in that we will write here D, E and F are the midpoints of line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment AC respectively. Okay, it means D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Now let us find first of all the coordinates of D. So coordinates of D, let us name it x1 y1. इसको हम x1 y1 बोलेंगे, इसको हम x2 y2 बोलेंगे और इसको हम x3 y3 बोलेंगे. So the coordinates of D, x1 y1, वो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? D is a midpoint of AB, right? तो D is a midpoint of AB, तो इसका जो ये coordinates फाइंड करना है वो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? First value of A plus first value of B divided by 2, right? So 0 plus 2 whole divided by 2, comma second value of A, second value of B, दोनों का addition divided by 2. minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, let us solve this. 0 plus 2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 by 2. 2 by 2. What will be the answer of 2 by 2? Obviously 1. And 0 by 2 का answer 0. 0 divided by anything, answer is 1. So these are the coordinates of dx1 y1. 2 by 2, obviously 2 ones are 2. So 1. 0 divided by anything, answer is 1. So what are the coordinates here? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. Okay. Now E. So E x2 y2. What will be the coordinates of E x2 y2? E is the midpoint of BC. It means first coordinate of B plus first coordinate of C divided by 2. That is 2 plus 0 divided by 2. दोनों के सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट का एडिशन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, solve this. 2 plus 0, 2 by 2. 1 plus 3, 4 by 2. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. Right? And 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are. यहाँ पे 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 comma 2 is the final answer of EX2 y2. Next, we need to find F x3 y3. Right? F x3 y3. Now F is the midpoint of AC. So to find the coordinate of this F x3 y3, first added with first, 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Right? So 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Second with second, minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 plus 3 all divided by 2. 0 plus 0, obviously it will 0 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3, answer will be plus 2 because 3 is bigger and its sign is plus. So 2 by 2. 2 by 2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 1. 0 by anything, answer will be 0. So 0 comma 1 is the coordinate of F x3 y3. Let us write the answers here. 1 comma 2. Right? x2 y2 का आंसर क्या है? 1 comma 2. x3 y3 का आंसर क्या है? 0 comma 1. Okay? आया समझ में? So here we got the midpoints of line segment AB, BC and AC. Midpoints मिल गए हमें. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints. ये midpoints को join करो और जो कोई भी triangle बन रहा है उसका हमें area find करना है. It is given in question, right? So now we are going to find the area of DEF. And again we are not writing any formulas. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर भी मैंने कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखा है. इतना बड़ा सम है, 2 या 3 मार्क में पूछा जाएगा तो हर एक बार हम फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, then the sum will be very big. So we know only now formula, right? Exam में आपको लिखना है, that is compulsory. But here due to the lack of space, lack of time, right? Everything. So that's why we are not writing the formula. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of triangle DEF. So now the area of triangle DEF is equals to, okay, half modulus first value of D. आ रहा है ना याद? फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ डी, डी की फर्स्ट वैल्यू ब्रैकेट में सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ ई माइनस सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ एफ. सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ ई माइनस सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ एफ. सो first value of d is 1, very easy. second value of E minus F. So second value of E is 2 and F is 1. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 compulsory plus first value of E. First value of E is 1. Okay. Now second value of F minus second value of B. F key second value 1, B key second value 0. So 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 plus first value of F. First value of F. F key first value 0. Second value of D minus second value of E. Second value of D, that is 0. Second value of E, that is 2, right? So 0 minus 2. Modulus over. Let us solve this. Half 1 is multiplied with 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is multiplied with 1 minus 0, 1. Plus 0 is multiplied with, there is no importance of 0. So 0 minus 2, answer will be minus 2. Okay, again let us solve this. 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1 plus 1 ones are 1 plus 0 multiplied by anything. 0 multiplied with either positive number or negative number, answer will be 0 only. So plus 0. Understood? So 1 by 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. If 2 comes out of the modulus, then it will be remain 2 only. 1 by 2 multiply with 2. 2 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. So the final answer is 1 square units. Right? Understood? समझ में आया? Final answer is 1 square unit. Okay? तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत मिक्स हो गया वो तो आपको पता चल जाएगा, राइट? इजी है. ओके. नाउ फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दिस एरिया ऑफ टू द एरिया ऑफ गिवन ट्रायंगल. गिवन ट्रायंगल हमारा क्या था? ए बी सी. तो पहले उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है, फिर बाद में रेशियो फाइंड करना है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी. सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ triangle ABC is equals to, again direct values. First value of A is 0. Second value of both subtracted, right? B or C की second value 1 minus 3, right? 1 minus 3 compulsory plus. Now first value of B की first value आएगी ना? ओके. ए के बाद बी की बारी, बी के बाद सी की बारी. फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज 2. ऐसे मेरी तरह स्लोली करते जाओ. आपको कहां पे जाना है? कहीं पे किसी की शादी में जाना है. अब तो लॉकडाउन है तो कहां पे भी जाने की कोई बात ही नहीं है, राइट? स्लोली करते जाओ. ऐसे सारे सम्स बी फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज 2. ओके. फर्स्ट माइनस फर्स्ट, सॉरी सेकंड माइनस सेकंड. सी का सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट सेकंड वैल्यू माइनस सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ ए. सो सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ सी इज 3 minus second value of a is minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. Compulsory plus. Now we reached at C. It means first value of C. Right? First value of C is 0. Okay, 0 is multiplied with second value of A minus second value of B. Second value of A is minus 1 minus second value of B is 1. Minus is the sign of formula and B itself is 1. So यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. Modulus over. Okay, solve this. You will get your answer very simple. 1 by 2 modulus 0. 1 minus 3. What will be the answer of 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 का आंसर क्या है? minus 2. Because 3 is bigger and its sign is minus. So यहाँ पे minus की sign आएगी. Okay. Now 2 multiply with 3 minus minus 1, it means minus minus plus. So 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 4. Okay. Plus 0 multiply with minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2. Okay, let us solve this. 0 multiply by anything, answer will be 0 plus 2 multiplied by 4, 2 4s are 8, plus 0 multiplied by anything, answer will be 0 modulus over 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 0, again 8, so final answer is 8, 1 by 2 modulus 8. If 8 comes outside of the modulus, then it will remain 8 only, and here cancellation is possible, 2 4s are, so the answer is 4 square units. That is the answer of area of triangle ABC. Now we need to find the ratios of both the areas. So therefore area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 4. DEF का एरिया क्या आया? 1 और ABC का एरिया क्या आया? 4. 1 by 4. Or you can write the final answer as 1:4. Right? So we got our final answer also. This is our final answer. So here we will write down answer. Understood this sum? Yes, a little bit big was there, थोड़ा बहुत बड़ा था, but it doesn't mean that all big sums are hard, right? This was very easy sum. Okay? So write down this sum in your fair book, and then afterwards we are going to do the fifth sum of exercise 7.3. Okay? Hello students, let us complete this question number 5 of exercise 7.3. First of all, read the question what is given to us. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are, right? वो क्वेश्चन में आपको वर्टाइसेस दिया है, बट हियर वी हैड ड्रॉन फिगर एंड राइट द वर्टाइसेस, राइट? अगेन क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? आपने क्लास 9th में पढ़ लिया है दैट मीडियन ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, एक ट्रायंगल का मीडियन ड्रॉ करो, देन द मीडियन डिवाइड्स द ट्रायंगल इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स. वो आप मीडियन ड्रॉ करोगे तो वो ट्रायंगल टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा. You have to verify this statement, right? Okay. Median it means a line segment, right? A line segment, एक line segment AC draw करनी है. The line segment joining the coordinate and the midpoint of opposite side. You can draw the line segment like this, you can draw the line segment like this, you can draw the line segment like this. Three medians can be drawn in a triangle. Three medians can be drawn in this triangle, but here we are drawing only one median, right? एक ही median draw करना है, तीनों के तीनों medians draw नहीं करना है. Okay. Now we are drawing a median in such a way that it will be easy for you. It means आपको देखने में जो है वो सीधा लगे, right? Okay. So median means a line segment joining the coordinate of triangle with the midpoint of opposite side. coordinate of triangle with the opposite side of that coordinate, opposite side का मिड पॉइंट. सो ऑपोजिट साइड का मिड पॉइंट हमें तो मालूम नहीं है, तो हम मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला से ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिफाइन करेंगे, राइट. द कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर x1 y1 और ये जो लाइन आप ज्वाइन करो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, मीडियन. सो दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड द मीडियन. Median, it means a line segment joining the coordinate of triangle with the midpoint of opposite side, right? Okay. After drawing the midpoint, we have to prove that area of these two triangles are equal. Triangle divides the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. It means ये दोनों का एरिया क्या है, इक्वल है, वो हमें प्रूव करना है. वेरीफाई दिस रिजल्ट. ओके, सो टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल वी नीड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट डी. हमें डी के कोऑर्डिनेट चाहिए, तभी हम ये लेफ्ट साइड का जो ये ट्रायंगल है उसका एरिया फाइंड कर पाएंगे, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट, coordinates of point D. Before that we will write here D is the midpoint of line segment BC, and so therefore D x1 y1 will be दोनों की फर्स्ट वैल्यू का एडिशन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला वो तो मालूम ही है. दोनों की फर्स्ट वैल्यू 3 + 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो 3 + 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दोनों की सेकंड वैल्यू का एडिशन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. -2 + 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके, सॉल्व दिस. 3 + 5 it will be 8 by 2. -2 + 2 0 by 2. ओके, 8 by 2 का आंसर क्या आएगा, 4, राइट. 8 by 2 2 4s are, and 0 by 2 will remain 0 only. So the coordinates of D is 4, 0. Understood? Now we are going to prove that the area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC. Okay, so now what we are going to find, first of all, area of triangle ABD. Direct values only. Okay, first value of A की first value 4 multiply with इन दोनों की सेकंड वैल्यू का सब्सट्रैक्शन -2 D लेना है. -2 -0 प्लस फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ D की फर्स्ट वैल्यू 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ D माइनस A. D की सेकंड वैल्यू माइनस A की सेकंड वैल्यू. D की सेकंड वैल्यू 0 माइनस A की सेकंड वैल्यू -6. सो -6, राइट. अगर आप ऐसे भी लिखते हो, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है हर एक बार. इफ यू आर डूइंग द 2 राउंड ब्रैकेट्स देयर आल्सो देयर इज नॉट एनी प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है. मार्क आपके कट नहीं होगी, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. नाउ फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ D is 4. Okay, then second value of A minus second value of B. The second value of A is -6 minus second value of B -2. Okay, यहाँ पर भी हमने ऐसा ही लिखा. We are not doing now square bracket. Okay, let us solve this. 1/2 modulus 4 -2 -0. There is no importance of 0, so we are directly writing -2 plus 3 into 0 plus 6. Okay, plus 4 into -6 plus 2 modulus of Okay, let us solve again. 1 by 2, 4 into minus 2, so that will be minus 8 plus 0 plus 6, so it will be 6, right? Okay, and 4 multiplied with minus 6 plus 2, that will be minus 4. Bigger digit is 6 and its sign is minus. Okay, again solve this. 1 by 2 modulus minus 8 as it is, plus 3 6 are 18, plus minus minus 4 4 are 16. Modulus over. Let us solve this. First of all, this is minus 8 plus 18. What will be the answer of it? Minus 8 plus 18 का आंसर क्या होगा? Minus plus subtraction. So 18 minus 8 it will be 10. Bigger digit sign. 18 is plus, so 10 will be also plus. So plus 10 and minus 16. Plus 10 minus 16 का आंसर क्या होगा? Minus 6. Plus minus subtraction. Bigger digit sign. 16 is bigger and its sign is minus. If minus 6 comes out of the modulus, then it will become plus 6, right? 1 by 2, 6, it means 2 3s are, and so the final answer is 3 square units. That is the answer of area of triangle ABD, right? इसका आंसर क्या आया? 3 square units. Now let us find the area of triangle ADC. Okay, ADC या तो फिर ACD, दोनों सेम ही है, but here we are writing ADC. चलो इस पर हम ADC लिखते हैं. Okay, so area of triangle ADC. Have first value of A 4, second value of B minus second value of C, so 0 minus 2, right? First value of D 4, second value of C minus second value of A 2 minus minus 6. Second value of C is 2, right? Minus is the sign of formula. Now second value of A is itself minus 6 plus first value of C. Find second value of A minus second value of D. Second value of A is minus 6 minus second value of D is 0. Modulus over. Understood? Let us solve this. 1 by 2, 4, 0 minus 2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? Minus 2, 4. Let us solve it directly. Minus minus, it will become plus. So 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 का आंसर क्या होगा? 8 होगा. 2 plus 6, 8. Okay. Now plus 5. There is no importance of the 0, so 5 multiplied with minus 6. Okay, modulus over. Let us again solve this. 4 into minus 2 plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 plus 4 8s are, so plus 32 plus minus minus 5 6s are 30. Okay, let us again solve this. First of all, the answer of minus 8 plus 32, minus 8 plus 32 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 32 में से आप 8 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दो तो आंसर होगा 24, and it will be plus because bigger digit is 32 and its sign is plus, and at last minus 30 plus 24 minus 30 का आंसर क्या होगा? minus 6 because bigger digit is 30 and its sign is minus, right? Okay, if minus 6 comes out of the modulus, then it will become plus 6. 1 by 2 into 6, so it means 2 3s are, so the answer is 3 square units. Again answer, it is verified. Okay. ओके, यहाँ पे हम स्मॉल में लिख डालते हैं हियर एरिया ऑफ ABD, इसका भी आंसर 3 है, राइट। एरिया ऑफ ABD इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ADC, both are equal, hence verified, और अंडरस्टूड, समझ में आया, दोनों का आंसर सेम आ गया, वेरिफिकेशन हो गया। सो by completing this sum we had also completed our third chapter taken by me, right। ये मैंने तीसरा चैप्टर जो है वो आपका मैथ्स में मैंने पूरा किया। फर्स्ट हमने पॉलिनोमियल्स किया था, सेकंड हमने चैप्टर नंबर 14, क्या था वो चैप्टर नंबर 14 statistics, and now today we had completed the chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry. Now in the next lecture it means आपको जो है वो ये ये चैप्टर के एक्स्ट्रा सम्स जो है वो दिए जाएंगे, ओके, बट दैट विल बी गिवन टू यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स, राइट। इट मींस ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है, तो अब आपको जो है वो इसका एक्स्ट्रा सम्स का जो पीडीएफ है, राइट, वो आपको मिल जाएगा। तो अब आपको जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा सम जो है वो कंप्लीट करने हैं, एंड द एक्स्ट्रा सम्स will be belonging to all the three exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3. Okay, so hope so you had understood today's lecture as well as you had understood this chapter thoroughly. Okay, so again we will meet with a new chapter later on. Till that, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe. Okay.